Hey guys, I don't have much free time today. I'm going to see if I can get in a shortwave here. Different environment, different situation. Maybe, although having a hard time getting this stuff to function, get something decent for you today. That's better. Taking in some Chinkney, hoping I'm pronouncing that right. Maybe if I get it in the right spot, then it'll work better than it has been in the past. I'm struggling a little bit to get this to work for me. So this is going to be a video asking for suggestions. Except I need to sneeze first. Ooh, sorry about that. Bless me. Come on, keep going this time. Or not. I'm trying. Anyways. Come on. It's right on the edge and then it goes away. Until I cough. Come on. You know what? You're just going to be a pain today. Alrighty then. Alright, one moment. I'm going to try this one more time. Not to make this video wave too long. I don't have time for that anyways. When it works, this stuff burns, but I sneeze so fast. And then it's gone. Oh, come on, please work. seriously kind of messes with your head when you can't get a large amount of powder to make yourself sneeze. Nope. Another false alarm. Guess I'm just gonna blow my nose again, guys. Sorry about that. Catch y'all later.